This tutorial shows you 3 easy ways to fix audio issues by restoring default settings. First, right-click on the speaker icon in your taskbar. After that, click on Sound Settings. From there, click on your current output device under Output. At this point, click on Device Properties, then check if any custom settings look off, and click Reset if that option is shown. In the next step, if there's no direct reset button, click on More Sound Settings to open the classic sound panel instead. Following this, click on the Playback tab, right-click on your default device, and select Properties. Once done, go through the Enhancements tab and check Disable All Sound Effects, then click Apply. From here, for a deeper reset, go back to Settings, then click on Apps. At this stage, click on Installed Apps, search for your audio driver software if you have one, like Realtek, and click Reset if available. Keep in mind, if none of these steps resolve the issue, updating or reinstalling your audio driver through Device Manager is often the most complete way to fully reset sound behavior. Finally, restart your computer once you've applied these changes to make sure the reset settings take full effect. And that's it! If this guide helped you reset sound settings on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one!